This is our personal ultimate fighting. Can never tell who's gonna win. Come on, Bluesy! Go get him! Oh, jeez. I like the headlock. Boys are taking after their father. Uh-huh. Come on, Wheeze. Let him go. There you go. Good boy.